In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time zone in Outbrain. Here's the first and most important takeaway. Outbrain's reporting and dashboard use US Eastern Time, listed as EST or ET by default, and there's no way to change that setting within the platform. There isn't an official time zone switch in the dashboard, so once your account exists, you can't set it to your local time or any other zone. Every chart, table, and breakdown you see is displayed in Eastern Standard Time, which corresponds to UTC minus 5 hours. What does this mean for your day-to-day work? When you check performance by day, the start and end of each day follow Eastern Time, not the clock where you are. That affects daily roll-ups, hourly trends, and how you interpret spikes or dips. If you manage campaigns from a different region, factor in that EST boundary so you're comparing apples to apples when making optimization decisions. You'll notice this most clearly in your reports. From your dashboard, go to Reports. If you already have a report, click Edit to review it. If not, choose Add Report to create a new one. In the report settings, look at the schedule. Scheduled reports are delivered in EST, so the time you select is interpreted in Eastern Time. If you want a report to hit your inbox at the start of your workday and you're not in Eastern Time, adjust for the UTC 5 offset so it arrives when you expect. A simple approach is to match your preferred local delivery time to the equivalent in EST before saving the schedule. To reduce confusion, consider labeling your reports or internal documentation with EST so teammates know exactly which clock the data follows. When you compare Outbrain results to tools that use a different time zone, like analytics platforms or BI dashboards, align the date range and time interpretation to EST to prevent apparent discrepancies. Let's recap clearly. Outbrain doesn't let you change the account's time zone setting. Data in the dashboard and all reports run in EST only. Because of that, always read timestamps, daily totals, and scheduled delivery times as Eastern Time. When something looks offset by a few hours, check the EST basis first before drawing conclusions. That's all you need to work confidently with time in Outbrain. By remembering that everything runs on EST, using the report section to edit or add reports, and scheduling with the EST offset in mind, you'll keep your reporting accurate and your team aligned.